Hello, would you believe it if I say that a visit to a dental surgeon can be a pleasure that one looks forward to? Well, it happened to me. Let me introduce myself. I'm Nivedita Sen. I teach in Hans Raj College, Delhi University, and I'm 64 years old. So I'm sure you would take me seriously when I said this. It all started like this, that I had a dentigerous cyst, which was very complicated. It threatened to fracture my jaw unless I got a surgical procedure done on it. And there were two options, and I have interacted with Dr Sanchaita Kohli over this for about 4 months now, starting with a biopsy. And she decided for me, with my approval of course, that given my age and comorbidities and other problems, she would like to take the conservative course, which is called marsupialization. It is really draining the fluid from the cyst and not removing the entire cyst, which would be a more complicated operation. Even so, this was a serious and longish surgery under GA. Now, the trajectory of the recovery has followed the timeline that she spelled out. In fact, it has even healed quicker than what she had predicted. And during this entire process and this duration of 4 months, there are two things which I want to specially highlight about her. She explains each step in a layperson's language, draws a diagram if necessary, and spends time in patiently trying to make the patient understand what he or she is going through. And this has happened time and again. It's not just one time that she did this. In the process, the second point that I want to emphasize is that she is ever so reassuring, makes the patient feel comfortable, that you hardly believe that you're going through a painful procedure. In all this, her touch is very gentle. She conducts the process in such a gentle manner that you feel completely relaxed and at ease, although you are sitting in that scary, dentist's patient's chair. Later, after surgery, she keeps in touch with the patient for all the months that the treatment can go into. She responds to every query on WhatsApp in detail and also keeps asking on her own how the patient is doing. So I would really say that anyone whose dental problem is the source of a lot of mental anxiety, or even to those who might voluntarily want to reconfigure some facial features, I would say, please entrust yourselves to the care of Dr. Sanchaita Kohli.